Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Cloud Dataproc for Apache Spark clusters, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Cloud Dataproc for Apache Spark clusters, begin by logging into your Google Cloud console. Select the project where you want to create your Dataproc cluster. In the navigation menu, locate and click on Dataproc. From the Dataproc dashboard, click on the Create Cluster button. On the cluster creation page, provide a name for your cluster in the cluster name field. Choose the regional location for your cluster, ensuring it aligns with your data sources and computation needs. Next, select the cluster type as standard for most use cases or choose single node for development purposes. Configure the master and worker machine types based on your processing requirements. Adjust the number of worker nodes according to your workload. In the Cluster Properties section, you can set additional configurations such as network settings and initialization actions. For specific use cases, consider enabling autoscaling to optimize resource allocation. Review the other configurations, including setting up logging and monitoring options via Stackdriver. Once all configurations are set, click on the Create button to provision your Dataproc cluster. Wait for a few moments as Google Cloud initializes your cluster. Upon successful creation, navigate to the Clusters page to confirm your cluster is running. To submit a Spark job, go to the Jobs section within your Dataproc cluster interface. Click on the Submit Job button, then specify the job details including the job type and the main JAR file. Fill in the necessary parameters, such as the region and cluster name, to execute your Spark application. After configured, click on Submit to launch your Spark job. Monitor the job's progress in the Jobs section to ensure it runs successfully. Once completed, review the logs to check for any errors or performance insights. You can stop or delete your cluster once tasks are finished to avoid incurring unnecessary charges. This concludes the basic setup of Google Cloud Dataproc for Apache Spark clusters. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.